Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a quick walkthrough through this Grasple. It is a math and statistics open educational resource. So we have, like I said, math and statistics. So let's open up a new tab for both of those. So we have interactive math exercises. We can say what we're specifically looking for. There's different exercises that go along with some of the textbook stuff, and the statistics one, you can see that these also have lessons available for these. I don't have an account for this, so for these, if you have an account, they might pop open. I don't know for sure. You'd have to check an account and see, but right now we're just going to go through and look at this basic statistics introduction. So we have learn or practice, and then we have different exercises. And then if you have a teacher account, you can create your own. So we're going to go through view lesson. So next. And we finish the lesson, so we can practice now, go to subject overview, do whatever. So name, So how many students participated in this small research project? Well, 3. Yep, correct answer is 3. We can go on to the next one. How many variables are there in this data set? 1, 2, 3, 4. Math is not my strong suit, so when I get this one wrong, okay, got it right. But some of it's the basic information, and then they obviously get more difficult. A variable can have multiple values, and then it gives you kind of a little explanation. That looks like it's an observation rather than a variable, and so on and so forth. And you have this little thing up here where you can look up your Z tables, your area calculator, F tables, chi tables. I don't know why that's a fish table, Poisson. But it gives us that you can suggest improvement, et cetera, et cetera. If we go back to here, we are still in statistics, but let's exit out of that. But here we're in the math section. So maybe I'm not going to do any of these because I'm not going to do any of them right. But I'll still pull it open and say, okay, complex number, there's 24 exercises available in that one. So we can go through, we can look and see, maybe we want to practice it, write the following complex number in polar form. 1 minus I to the power of 9. I have no idea, so I'm just going to guess and say, woo. So, okay, it gives me an explanation, and then, okay, maybe it will let me try again. Whoops, whatever the right answer is. Oh no, finish the lesson. I gotta try again. But you can also write your own. Let me find one where where there's a writing one that you can type it in. I know there was one on the algebraic expressions. So this one is, pretty simple, but, evaluate the expression for the given values. I can do fractions, multiplied, exponent, square root, whatever. So, the answer to this is 12. And I only know that because I did this one already when I was testing through it. But then it gives you an explanation of, okay, this is how you went through and did it and how you got the answer. This one I'm not going to do because it would actually take me like time to go through, but if it's a fraction, you go in there and you can say, okay, it's 5 over 7, to the power of 9 pi. And obviously it's going to be wrong. So replace each variable and then simplify using order of operations. So it kind of gives you those hints to see, okay, well, what is it? Sine, cosine, tan, any of the Greek symbols we need to use, logarithmic functions, if we want parentheses or brackets or anything of that sort. So consider using this as a resource for your students, or even just telling them about it, so they can get some practice if that's what, if they need that. So thank you. Hopefully that showed you something cool that maybe you didn't know about. So we'll talk to you later.